Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into small garden ideas that will transform even the tiniest outdoor spaces into beautiful, functional retreats. Whether you have a balcony, patio, or a small backyard, these creative tips will help you maximize your space and add a touch of nature to your home. Let's get started. In today's fast-paced world, having a small garden can be a sanctuary of peace and beauty, no matter how limited your space, whether you're working with a tiny balcony, a compact backyard, or even just a few pots on a windowsill. There are countless ways to cultivate a vibrant garden that reflects your personality. And enhances your living environment. Small gardens may seem challenging, but they offer unique opportunities for creativity and innovation. In this video, we'll explore a variety of ideas and tips for maximizing your small garden space, from vertical gardening techniques that make the most of limited square footage to container gardening that allows for flexibility and mobility. We'll cover strategies to help you create a lush oasis. We'll also delve into plant selections that thrive in smaller spaces, focusing on flowers, herbs, and vegetables that can flourish in confined areas. Creating a small patio garden is fantastic way to bring a touch of nature into your outdoor space, no matter how limited it may be. Whether you have a cozy balcony, a tiny backyard, or a quaint courtyard, transforming it into a green oasis can significantly enhance your quality of life. A small patio garden allows you to enjoy the beauty of plants and flowers, cultivate your own herbs and vegetables, and create a serene retreat right outside your door. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of small patio gardens, offer practical tips for getting started, and provide inspiration to help you make the most of your compact outdoor area. Let's dive into how you can turn your small patio into a vibrant and inviting garden space. A small garden can be a charming and functional outdoor space, even if it's compact. Whether you're working with a tiny backyard, a balcony garden, or a modest front yard, effective care and thoughtful design are key to making the most of your space. With the right strategies, a small garden can be a lush, vibrant oasis that enhances your home and brings joy throughout the year. Here's a guide on how to take care of your small garden to ensure it thrives and remains a delightful part of your living space. 1. Plan your space. Wisely maximize your layout. Vertical gardening. Utilize vertical space by incorporating wall-mounted planters, trellises, and hanging baskets. This allows you to grow more plants without requiring additional ground space. Container gardening. Use containers of varying sizes and heights to create layers and optimize space. Choose plants that can thrive in pots and are suitable for your climate. Choose the right plants. Space-efficient choices. Opt for plants that grow vertically or have compact growth habits. Herbs, dwarf varieties of vegetables, and small shrubs can be ideal for small gardens. Seasonal considerations. Select plants that will thrive in your local climate, and consider incorporating seasonal plants to keep your garden vibrant throughout the year. 2. Focus on soil health. Use quality soil well. Draining mix. Choose a high-quality PO mix for containers and ensure your garden beds have well draining soil. This prevents waterlogging and promotes healthy root growth. Regular enrichment. Amend the soil with compost or organic matter to improve fertility and structure. This will provide essential nutrients to your plants and support their growth. Monitor soil moisture. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Small gardens can dry out quickly, so regular watering is essential. Mulching. Apply mulch around plants to retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and reduce weed growth. Organic mulches like bark or straw work well. 3. Implement efficient watering practices. Water wisely. Consider using a drip irrigation system. For efficient and targeted watering, it delivers water directly moisture effectively. Adjust for plant needs. Be aware that different plants have varying water needs. Group plants with similar requirements together too. Simplify your watering routine. Check soil moisture. Use a moisture meter or your finger to check soil moisture levels before watering. This helps prevent overwatering or underwatering. 4. Regular maintenance and care. Pruning and deadheading. Regularly prune plants to remove dead or overgrown branches which to the plant's roots and minimizes waste. Watering schedule. Water your garden early in the morning or late in the evening to reduce evaporation and allow plants to absorb encourages new growth and maintains the plant's shape. Remove dead blooms. Deadhead flowering plants to promote continuous blooming and prevent the development of seed heads that can drain energy from the plant. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids, spider mites, or slugs. Use organic pest control methods like neem oil, insecticidal soap, or natural predators. Disease prevention. Ensure good air circulation around plants to prevent fungal diseases. Remove any diseased or damaged plant parts. Promptly weeding and cleaning. Remove weeds regularly to reduce competition for nutrients. And water. Mulching can also help suppress weed growth. Clean debris. Keep the garden tidy by removing fallen leaves, plant debris, and spent flowers. This helps prevent disease and keeps your garden looking its best. 5. Seasonal care and adaptation. Plant seasonal flowers and vegetables to ensure your garden remains interesting and productive throughout the year. Rotate crops to maintain soil health in colder climates. Prepare your garden for winter by protecting plants with mulch covering delicate species and ensuring containers are properly insulated. Plan for transitions. Plan for seasonal transitions by replanting or rearranging containers as seasons change. This allows you to adapt your garden to different weather conditions and maximize its beauty. Taking care of a small garden requires thoughtful planning and attentive maintenance, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By maximizing your space, focusing on soil health, implementing efficient watering practices, and embracing regular care, you can create a vibrant and thriving garden that brings joy and beauty to your home. Thanks for watching. We hope these small garden ideas inspired you to create your own cozy outdoor oasis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design tips and gardening inspiration. Let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite, and happy gardening!